Singing is a miracle. It is a beautiful art. It is a way to find your true self. God sent His singers upon earth that they might touch the hearts of people. God of all creation, we thank you today for your gift of singers. A very pleasant morning to one and all present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 presenting today's morning assembly. Dear friends, Lata Mangeshkar, the Nightingale and India's best known cultural icons, died on 6 February. And the nation of more than a billion lost its most popular voice. We pay heartfelt tribute to the departed icon of India, Lata Mangeshkar, who conquered the hearts of the world with her melodious voice. I believe in one power, and that is the hand of God. I respect all religions. That was Lata Mangeshkar, who had a firm faith in God. And let us start today's morning assembly with God's prayer. Join your hands, everybody, and close your eyes. Start prayer. After pledge, our behaviors are the actions generated from our thoughts and feelings. We become what we think. If we fill up our brain with positive thoughts, somehow it will fire up that way. And for such motivational thought, I would like to invite on stage VEENA from class 8th. Good morning, everyone. My name is VEENA. Thought of the day is one has to be fully committed to one's career. Otherwise, there's no point. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much, VEENA, for such an inspiring thought, afterthought, and news. Starting her career at the age of 13, Lata Mangeshkar was a woman of determination, willpower, and commitment. She is an inspiring woman because she believed and demonstrated that while age may slow down a person, but it could not down his will and determination. Dear friends, let us know more about the Nightingale of India, and I would like to invite on stage Romil from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you very much, Romil. Lata Mangeshkar was known to possess one of the most versatile voices in the golden era of Hindi cinema. India was blessed with the queen of melody who enthralled the nation with her melody voice. Let us pay tribute to Lata Mangeshkar, and next I would like to invite on stage Nandini from class 8 for a song. Thank you very much, Nandini, for this. And after national anthem, we pray to God for her soul to rest in peace. As the nation bids farewell to iconic Lata Mangeshkar, let us mourn the demise of Lata Mangeshkar, or as popularly known as the Nightingale of India, for 2 minutes. And after mourn of 2 minutes, today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.